Managing 500 users in Active Directory with no structure. Prepare for chaos. An organizational unit, or OU, is a container inside an Active Directory domain. Think of it like a folder in a filing cabinet. A logical way to group and organize your domain objects. OUs live entirely within a single domain, and unlike domains themselves, they don't create new security boundaries. Their purpose is purely organizational, making your directory easier to manage. An OU can hold users, groups, computers, printers, and even other OUs. That last part is particularly powerful. Nested OUs let you mirror your organization's real-world hierarchy. For example, you could place a sales team OU inside a North America regional OU. One of the biggest benefits of OUs is delegation of administration. You can grant a specific person or team control over just one OU, without giving them domain-wide rights. So your help desk team can reset passwords in the HR OU without having any access to the finance OU. OUs also give you targeted control through group policy objects, or GPOs. A GPO is a collection of settings, password policies, software installs, desktop configurations, that gets applied at the OU level. Every user and computer in that OU automatically inherits those settings. To nail this question, an OU is a logical container for organizing domain objects, delegating admin rights, and applying GPOs. Subscribe for more interview prep. Want to nail questions like this in your next interview? Interview Mentor gives you hands-on practice with real questions. Every answer gets a grade with specific, personalized feedback. Track your progress across topics and difficulty levels.